I'm gonna see if it'll activate the screen now. Okay, it redirected me to YouTube. Let me put this on. I'm gonna see if it acts. Okay, now it's showing me live on YouTube. Maybe it will let me. Let's see if it'll let me go to YouTube Studio. See, it's supposed to show broadcasting, and it's supposed to give me a link. Let me have a link and description and everything so that I can do that, but maybe just do that on Premiere. It was supposed to give me a link. So I'll just go on and I'll go ahead and just broadcast. I'll go ahead.
You have to click on the top for the channel dashboard. Not that one, that one.
It's the same thing.
Oh.
And see, it's supposed to show me that I'm live on YouTube, but it won't do that. Let me see if this one will do it.
Well, it says at the top on my screen that you are live on YouTube.
Yes, but it's supposed to show me the screen that I'm live on. See, like right
here
there.
It is.
Yes, so, and I'm supposed to get a link, so I guess I just have to share this link with everyone that I want to be on it. Can you hear me talking?
Yeah.
On YouTube and not well,
you've got YouTube muted,
so you can't hear me. Yes, so, and I'm supposed to get a
now
link,
I can hear you.
I guess I just have to. Okay, do something. Take your earpieces out and see if you can hear me without me talking. How about now? If you know, not what I meant by just from your computer audio.
Say something.
Okay, I'm talking now. Can you hear me?
Yeah.
You can hear me from when I'm talking now, but you can't really hear me on YouTube.
Go on, unmute it.
And when I do that, you're gonna hear me twice.
I can hear that.
Not what I meant by just from your computer audio.
I can hear you. I can hear you on both.
Okay, I'm talking now. Can you hear me?
Yes.
You can hear me from when I'm talking now, but you can't really hear me on YouTube.
Go on, unmute it.
And when I do that, you're gonna hear me twice.
I can hear that.
Not what I meant by just from your computer audio.
I can hear you.
Okay, I'm gonna go ahead.
Tyree, I can hear you on Zoom and I can hear you on YouTube when you unmute it. When you unmute YouTube, I can hear that. And when you talk, we hear each other on Zoom, which goes over the top of it.
And see, I'm hearing a double echo. I'm hearing myself.
Well, you will, because there's two. You're on Zoom and you're doing live stream to. Tyree, I can hear you on Zoom and I can hear you on YouTube when you unmute it. When you unmute YouTube,
I'll just go on and go through
when
this.
you talk, we hear each other on Zoom.
Okay.
It goes over the top of it.
Forex trading hit list.
Well, you will.
Delorean strategy hit list.
You're on Zoom
for
and
week.
you're doing live stream to. Tyree, I can hear you on Zoom and I can hear you on YouTube when you unmute.
I'm just have to mute myself because I can't do that. Maybe they can, hopefully they can hear me.
We hear each other on Zoom.
Okay. Hopefully they'll be able to hear me. I'll do just a little bit. Okay, the weekly Forex trading weekly strategy hit, Delorean strategy weekly hit list. I'm going in order. I don't know where that comes from. Okay, here we go. This is for last week. Okay. Okay, Judy?
Yeah, which list are you doing first? You haven't got all the colors there.
Okay, this is gonna be the Delorean strategy and the binary, and then all of them all together, whichever one fit with a start. So what I'm doing is I'm starting off with AU. And I'll tell you which one is which, okay? As I go, like last week, I'll tell you to put a star, I'll tell you to put a check, or I'll tell you to put both, and then whatever color should be associated with it. It'll be good, okay?
Yep.
So is AUD, this is, let me stretch it out where it can be seen. You can see the pair. As ACAD. So ACAD, we're gonna measure and see how far it is, if it qualifies or not. It does not qualify. So did it finish? It finished with as a binary though. So we go ACAD. ACAD, it qualifies as binary. Is it resetting?
Binary is the star.
Yes, ma'am. Binary is a star. And right now, ACAD is in a reset. When you see the EMAs, the aqua, when you see the blue, the aqua color, the red and the yellow together, that means it's in a reset.
Mm-hmm.
So that's reset. And that reset is more than likely gonna be in a sale because it's gonna, if I go to the 4-hour time frame, yes, it's
sell.
A sale. So I'll say reset 15-minute, reset on 15-minute, and then I'll do a dash 4-hour sale. So I know what's going on the 4-hour because that gives me the actual momentum that the market, that pair is moving in.
Okay.
And then I write down the price point, which is 0.9 4130. And I'll put a star by it for binary, okay? Now I go, and then I'll change the color of this to binary. So I know it's binary. Now it'll be the orange. And then I go to HF, I measure this. That's 57, so it does not qualify. It does not qualify for binary either, so I'll move on to AJ. Measure it. That does not qualify. Does it qualify for binary? No, ma'am, it doesn't. So I go to AN. AN does qualify for binary because it stopped on the magic number, so I'm still gonna measure, see if it qualifies for the Forex trading hit list. It does not qualify for the Forex trading hit list. So, but it qualifies for the binary. Now it's in a reset on the 15-minute. And it's in a 4-hour sale, so it's the same thing. I'm gonna do reset 15-minute, write down reset 15-minute, which means it may trade in the direction starting off.
Yep.
And then in the 4-hour, it's a 4-hour sale. And I write down the price point, which is 1.07. What's that, 385?
No, 305.
And that's a star.
That's correct.
Okay. Now I go to, and then the color is going to be on. So now I go to AUD USD. It did not stop on the magic number for binary. Let's see if it qualify for Forex. No, it does not qualify for Forex. And that right there is a buy. And I bet it's going to be a sale. Yes, and a sale. If that sale is almost over with on the 4-hour, but we're going to keep it moving. So now we go to, let me see, So far, we only have 2 on the list, and they qualify for binary. That's ACAD and AN, right?
Yep.
Okay, now we go to the C's, CAD, CHF. They qualify for binary. It stopped at the magic number. And I can see that it may qualify for, let me see. Okay, it does not qualify for Forex. It doesn't have enough pips. Okay?
Yeah.
So that means that on the 4, when I look on the 4 hour, it may be in the middle of a cycle. And it's resetting, see, in the middle of a cycle. It's not ready. So we definitely know it's gonna be binary. Okay, CAD, CHF. Okay, and it's resetting on the 15-minute. It's reset on the 15 and the 4 hour. The reason why we're doing this, we're writing this even though it's binary, so we'll definitely know what direction it's comfortable to start trading with. Do we trade this on binary? Okay. Sometimes these pairs end up being a good pair to trade for Forex too. So this is 0.69355.
Correct.
And it's a start by it. And it was binary last week. So now we go to CAD-J. CAD-J did not qualify for binary. Let's see if it qualifies for Forex. It does qualify for Forex. It's a reset. Reset on the 15-minute. And the way that it looks.
What's that on the 4 hour?
Look like it's gonna be reset on the 4 hour. Yes, it's setting up for a 4 hour buy.
Yeah.
So we're gonna say 4 hour BTS buy. It's getting ready to go against the trend. That's gonna be a BTS, and you see this W that formed right there.
Yeah.
So that lets me know that it should be a 4 hour BTS buy. And I write that down, 4 hour BTS buy. And the price point is 78.824. And that's a check a check for Forex. Okay, and this is going to be purple instead of orange. Now I go to Chf Jpy. You with me so far, Judy?
Yeah.
Okay, this is in a reset, and I'm almost certain it did not qualify for binary. I'm almost certain that it's not going to qualify for Forex either. No, it didn't. Too many pips. Okay, so I take this off. No, ain't nothing on it. So I don't worry about the dollar. Now I go to my euro pairs. And I leave EA red because I trade that regardless, okay?
Mm-hmm.
So it don't matter if it qualifies for binary or anything or not. I trade, that's one of the pairs I trade. And right now, I can tell it's one of the 5 wise men. But at the same time, it's wow. It spit out a lot of pips. It's still in the uptrend. And it's reset. So what does it look like on the 4 hour? Look like it's getting ready to fall. It's setting up an M. See that?
Yeah.
So it's more than likely it's gonna be falling, but it's gonna take a long time. This is gonna end up in a sale by the end of the week. So right now I'll just do EA on a reset for 15-minute reset. And 4 hour. Let me take another look at 4 hour. 4 hours setting up for a BTS sale.
And that's good for binary.
No, it's not good for binary. It didn't finish on the right price point. See the price point it finished
Oh
at?
no, it's all right. Yeah, I know. I was thinking it was, yeah. It's a Forex.
So it's a reset and it's setting up to do a 4 hour BTS sale, which is the same thing here. This is setting up to do a 58, even though it's in reset, the way the EMAs are setting up, like it's gonna do a BTS sale. And this pair was in a uptrend, so it really is setting up for a sale.
Mhm.
Okay.
So that's purple.
Yes. Well, I leave this red. It didn't qualify.
Yeah, because you tried them. That's right.
Yeah. And it didn't qualify for either one. If it wasn't one that I traded, we would not have been on this long. And ECAD is one that I trade. ECAD is setting up for a buy. Look at that. This is setting up for a BTS buy. And then let's see if it qualifies. It didn't qualify for binary. Let's see if it qualifies for Forex. It qualified for Forex. So ECAD would be purple if I didn't trade it, okay?
Yeah.
So it's setting up, that's gonna be a 15-minute BTS buy. And on the 4 hour, should be setting up for a sale. Yep, see, 4 hours setting up for a sale. See, the 4 hours is selling right now.
Yeah, it is. Yeah.
And it's sale to be complete when they say aqua passes under that. So it's a 4 hour, 15-minute sale. So for ECAD, you should have a 15-minute BTS buy, which is a signature trade. There are 3 signature trades in the Delorean strategy. It's the vector, the 50-50, and the BTS, okay? And this is setting up for a nice sale. And then it vectored out of that Asian range anyway. So 4 hour BTS sale. I did say 4 hour BTS sale. Yeah, 4 hour sale. And I can see what level it's on. Yeah, it's ready to fall. And the price point is 1.55644. So did I give you the price point for EA? No, I didn't. It's 1.65.
Yeah, I got that. 1.65401.
I didn't write it down. Okay, now we go to Eurchf. And I'm almost certain it may not qualify. It didn't, it's 22 pips, it don't qualify, it's in a reset. Did it qualify for binary. Okay, 15-minute reset. Let's see what it does on the 4 hour. Look like that should be a buy on the 4 hour.
Yeah.
Yes, it's still a buy on the 4 hour. Yeah. So it's a buy trend on the 4 hour. Okay. So you put 4 hour buy trend. So you know what, And the reason why I put trend because it let me know that it's actually, that's the strength of the market, is a trend. It is not just a buy, but it's trending up. And that means it's going to set up for a BTS.
Yeah.
And it's 1.00017.
Where?
Right
No,
here.
it's 1.08017.
Okay. 1.08017.
017.
Okay, and how many pips was that? Let me see.
$24.
Okay, so it just qualifies for binding. Don't qualify for Forex. So that's going to be orange. Now move to Eur Gbp. I can tell you right now that ain't going to qualify for Forex. Oh, it did.
32.
32, okay. Okay. And is in a, oh, that's still in a sale. Yeah, that's a 15-minute sale trend. So I write down 15-minute sale trend.
Yep.
32 pips. And then the 4-hour is going to be the 4 hours also in. It's setting up for a sale.
Mm-hmm.
As a matter of fact, the 4 hours in a BTS, 4-hour BTS sale. So you write 4-hour BTS sale.
Mm-hmm.
That means that trend is strong. It's really pulling back.
Can you move your cursor so I can see the price point? Oh, yeah.
Price point is, I always check over here too, over to the right, because see, like for me right now, I'm so far back, I can't really see this. So
Yeah, I can see it.
so
0.91209.
so it qualified for
Forex.
for Forex. That's a check. Okay, so it's gonna stay purple. Now we go to EJ. EJ, I can tell you right now, they don't qualify for Forex. It's too close.
Mm-hmm.
Okay, well, I guess it does. That's 40 pips.
Oh, yeah.
I guess I was wrong. EJ showed me up. So, and it's a EJ is going to be in a 15-minute BTS, say a BTS buy. You can say 15-minute BTS buy. So it's, oh, that's 4 hours. Let's see what it's going to be. Okay, so 15-minute, EJ is a 15-minute BTS, okay?
Yeah.
Now this is better. It does not qualify. When I do it on the 15-minute, it does not qualify for Forex, okay?
It does for binary.
For binary. So the 15-minute, so what it is a 15-minute reset. And it's a 4-hour BTS buy, okay? Making that correction because I started on the 4 hours instead of the 15 minutes. So it's a 15-minute reset. And it's a 4-hour BTS buy.
Okay.
And how many pips is that?
You
60?
said 40 before, but you had
Exactly.
that was on the.
Okay, so that's a start by that. And the price point is 122.750.
How many pips did you have?
That was 67 pips.
Okay.
Okay, and now we go to EURNZD. I can tell it's not going to make Forex because that thing spit out a lot of pips. See, it's passed it already. That's 65 pips, so it don't count for that, but it counts for binary.
Binary.
So we're on 15-minute reset. And that was 60-some pips. Let me measure again.
55.
Oh, wait a minute. This will count for binary for both because I think EN is one of the 5 wise men.
Okay.
Let me think. It's giving 25 extra pips. So yeah, it does qualify for both.
Okay.
If I remember correctly, it's one of the 5 wise men. I gotta think a little bit more. And then the 4 hour, it's setting up for actually it's resetting on the 4 hour too. It's setting up for a pullback. But these are so close, it's more. Let me see. Yeah, it's setting up for a sale. Yep. So I'll just say 4 hour sale. It's setting up for a 4 hour sale.
And how many pips did you say?
It was 55 pips.
Okay. That's green.
Yes, ma'am. It'll be both. You got it, Judy. You got it. Okay, now we go to EU. We almost through with this list.
Mm-hmm.
EU.
Put on the 15 minutes first.
Thank you. More than likely, this is not going to qualify for Forex. No, it doesn't qualify for Forex. This setting up, this is going to be a buy. This is going to be a BTS buy. And it didn't qualify for binary either. Now, EU is a good pair to trade for binary. But let's see. Yes, it's setting up for a strong buy. It's going to pull back some more, but it's setting up for a BTS buy. Yeah. Yep. It's going to have a strong pullback.
That's on the 4 hour, or 15 minutes or 4 hour.
Yeah. And if you look at the 4 hours, it's going to be it's in a strong downtrend. See that? Same thing. Strong downtrend. But we'll move on to the next pair. We'll analyze those some other time. Okay, now we're going to the pound pair. Okay, that's GA. I think that's one of the 5 wise men. It still wouldn't count. That's too many pips. That's 15 minutes. And then it don't count for binary, so I'm not going to spend time looking at it right now.
No.
Take the purple off. Okay, GCAD. I leave GCAD red because it's one of the pairs I trade. It qualifies for binary, but it's in a strong reset. See, it's in a strong reset. It wouldn't qualify for Forex.
No, 13 pips. No.
But I traded anyway. That's one of the. That's the other pair I trade. That's the pair that Curtis trade. Okay. So in the 15-minute, it's actually setting up for a 15 minutes still in the buy, so you can see a 15-minute buy. Even though it's binary, it lets you know what it's doing. And 4 hour is going to be a buy, I'm sure. Yep, 4 hour also is a buy.
So that's on binary, or no, it's not binary.
It's going to be binary.
Where's the, oh, there's a number. Yes, it is. Yeah.
Yeah, it's going to be binary. And it was like 15 pips. Yeah. And it's 1.70535. And it's binary. It would be orange, but I always leave it red. Even though I'm leaving it red, I put a star by it. So I'll know, even though it's a pair trade, it's basically this week setting up for binary. Okay. So now, and look at all that movement it had last week. Look at all that movement. Okay, so now we go to pound Chf, pound Swiss, measure it. It does not count for it does not count. It's more than what it needs to be, but it does count for binary. Let me measure that again so I know how many pips.
$58.
Okay. I'll just say 59 pips because it was so close. And it's setting up for a sale. It's setting up for a BTS sale. And it's trading toward the blue. Let me see.
Yeah, so it's a play.
And then 4 hour. Yeah, 4 hours it's stuck in a BTS. Yeah. See that W? So it's planning on doing a buy.
Yeah.
So I say 4 hour BTS buy. Again, BTS is one of the signature trades, along with the 50-50 and the vector. And the price point is 1.18323.
Yep.
And it's binary. So I need to change that color to binary.
Orange.
Now we go to GJ. I don't like playing around with GJ. And I'm hoping it don't qualify for either one. Right now it qualifies for binary. I mean, they like to trade GJ for binary. And it does qualify for Forex. I don't fool with it anyway, even though it does. I don't trade GJ at all. So it's on a 15-minute. Oh man, that's gonna be a strong reset because you have all the EMAs together. And it's been reset for a while. It's just in range, and see that? This thing's setting up for a buy. So how many pips was that? It's setting up for a buy. 36.
What's it on the 4 hour?
15-minute reset. That's gonna be strong, but I can look at that now and tell it's gonna be a buy. What I tell you, setting up for a buy. That's the first leg of the W. It's going up, it's gonna come down, then it's gonna go back up. Because it's done all the crosses that it's supposed to do. So I go back to the 15-minute and write down 134.497. And again, that's a 4-hour BTS buy. Yeah. And that's going to be, that qualify for both, so it's going to be purple, even though more than likely I ain't going to trade it. GN, I know this doesn't qualify for Forex. GN is one of the 5 wise men. A lot of pips there. And it didn't qualify for binary, so yay, I don't have to fool with it. GU, qualify for binary. Let's see what it qualifies for Forex. It doesn't qualify for Forex. It's in a 15-minute sale. Um, 15-minute sale. I mean reset, 15-minute reset. And judging by the way this pair look, it's gonna be in consolidation on the 4-hour. And it's consolidation on the 4-hour.
Yeah.
It's setting up for a 4-hour BTS buy. That's what it's doing. Okay. And how many pips did I say this thing was? That's like 80, just say.
80. Where did you measure it from?
From the blueberry right here. See here?
I thought you were a bit lower than that.
Right here.
76.
Okay, and the price point is 1.27. Get this out.
403.
And this qualifies as binary.
Yeah, it's orange.
Now GJ qualifies for both, so it got a check and a star.
You've got to change that GU to orange.
Yes, ma'am. Okay, now we almost done. All we got to do is the end pairs and we're done. Okay? Going fast enough this week?
Huh?
So we're going fast this week. Okay. So now we're in CAD. I'm going to measure it. And again, there's a strategy in the Delorean strategy, a part of the Delorean strategy called blue waves. That's what we're using now to measure. And it spit out more, it has more pips. It doesn't qualify for this. We're also using a 3-day cycle because when I'm looking at the 15-minute, I can tell what cycle this is on. And I can tell right now it hadn't finished the 3rd cycle.
Mm-hmm.
Okay, so it says 53, did you say 54 pips? It qualified for binary. So there's its NZD, CAD.
So what did you have 15 minutes on a
On GU?
On NZDCAD. That's what we're
Oh,
on.
I'm still on it. It's going to be a reset.
Okay.
See, whenever you see these EMAs bunched up, that's going to be a strong reset. So that's a 15-minute reset, because when you see that this aqua and the white, the mayo, when you see them touch together, that's a strong reset. So whenever it does break out, it's going to really be breaking out.
Big. Yeah.
Those two MAs are a lot of pressure together.
Mm-hmm.
I'm not going to see what the numbers are, but the settings are, but it's a lot of pressure together. So 4 hour is, yeah, right now it looking like it's gonna be in a 7, another pullback. It's gonna be very strong. And I already touched that right there. So it's gonna be a very strong fall. And then in 1 hour, it's setting up for an M. So right now it's gonna probably be a pullback to complete that second leg of the M and then fall. So it's setting up for a strong sell. Yep. See that BTS? It's gonna be BTS on the 30-minute and then fall. So yeah, setting up for a strong sale. So it's a 4-hour BTS sale. That's trading away. So yeah, so this
So you're going
is
to change that to orange.
okay, orange. And it's 0.87590.
Got that.
And it's trading away, so it's gonna keep falling. Now we go to Nzbchf. It's resetting. That's the purple. It doesn't qualify for Forex, but it does qualify for binary. I don't even know if this pair trades on binary.
I'll have to check after.
Yeah, I'm gonna check. So it's 15.
How many pips did you get?
15.
15 pips.
Yes, ma'am.
Okay, and the 15
And
minutes.
that's gonna be a strong sale too when it does fall, because all of those EMAs are together.
Yeah. What's all those D's that you've got on there?
All these what?
D.
D's.
D. D for dog. You've got D's all over the screen. What are they for?
Where you see D's? Oh, okay. After we finish this, I'll explain it to you. I learned that before. Okay.
Okay.
Yes, this thing is coming. It's definitely gonna be in a sale. This EMA, that the EMAs are getting ready to shift.
Yeah.
Yeah, so it's definitely gonna be in a sale. They shifted. So it's gonna be a 4-hour reset, but I'm gonna say 4-hour sale reset. Okay. And I said 15 pips.
Yep.
Okay. And they qualify for binary.
Yep.
0.60.
775.
So that's binary. That's gonna be a strong sale. Strong sale. So that's orange. I need to check and see if this pair even trades on binary. Nzbchf probably got too much going on. And it has too much going on. It finished ranging. It was in a sale all last week. So it's gonna fall some more. This is setting up for just basically pull back. Yep. it's gonna fall some more because he's in on the 4 hour. See the momentum?
Yeah.
Yeah. And it qualified for binary. I gotta check and see if this trades on binary too. If it don't, then I'm not gonna carry these over no more. So
How many pips did you get on the 15 minutes?
I should have written it down. Just say
68.
68.
68.
And that's a 15-minute strong reset sale. And 4 hour, gonna be the same thing. 4 hour reset sale. I'll double check. Yeah, 4 hour sale.
Mm-hmm.
It's a sale trend. Okay, that lets me definitely know that's gonna be a strong fall. So it qualifies for binary 69.067,
Mm-hmm.
and it's binary. It's the NZB. It's reset. Did it qualify? No, it doesn't qualify for neither one, so I don't have to look at it. And I take that green off. Now we only have UCAD. Does UCAD qualify? Not for that, but it qualifies. Oh, okay, it qualifies for binary. UCAD is a good pair to trade. Binary is also on the hourglass, and as a matter of fact, UCAD is on the binary trading software, the hourglass, and the Liberty. Okay, UCAD. And how many pips? 90, just say 93 pips. And that's setting up for a 15-minute BTS sale. So I'll call it 15-minute BTS sale. And so this should be a 4 hour buy. Yeah. It's in a 4 hour BTS sale also. That first leg of the M become the second leg. That's going to be a strong sale.
You said it was going to be a buy.
Yeah, but when I look at these EMAs, I'm going to have to look at that 15-minute again.
Okay.
I'm looking at the EMAs. They're not stretched out. They're meeting up so they can stretch out.
So what's the 15 minutes say?
Yeah, see how this is setting up for these EMAs to be stretched out? And it's going against, see how it's trending? And it's creating the first leg of the M? And it's gonna fall. And the thing is, when it falls, each one of these EMAs is gonna be a take profit, okay?
Yeah.
Yeah, it's gonna be a sale. That's the first M. So the 15-minute, yeah, it's a sale. This is gonna be a strong sale. So this is 1.33843.
Yeah, got that. And it's orange.
Yes, ma'am. Okay, Usdchf. I'm almost certain that's not going to qualify. does not qualify for Forex, but it does qualify for,
binary.
yes. And that's in a 4 hour, that's in a 15-minute sale. Just say 99 pips. So it's a 15-minute BTS sale. It's trading away, so it should be a buy in a 4 hour. Yeah. Yep, look at that. Strong buy. So you definitely can say this is a strong uptrend, so it's a 4 hour buy, 4 hour buy trend. And the price point is 0.92.
8767.
And this is a BTS. And this is the last one, UJ. Oh, I need to make this here BTS. There we go. I mean, binary. There we go. UJ is it's every one of the, even though it didn't finish with a binary, is every educator favorite pair to trade binary.
Do they?
Yeah, every one of them. They make a strong, and let's see, this setting up for a sale. UJ. That's a 15-minute BTS sale. And that's a pair, even if it don't qualify for Forex or either binary, it's still a pair that should always qualify for binary. Because it's on the software too, the binary trading software. And it qualifies for Forex.
Okay, so what is it on the 4 hour?
Let me go to it and see. Four hours is in a BTS. It's in a BTS sale. It's finishing that BTS a 4 hour. Yeah, it's getting ready to complete that. And judging by the way it is, it's gonna probably range a little bit before it completes it. So let me look at the 1 hour. Yeah, it's setting up. It's not through. It's not through yet because this EMA here has to be on top of these two EMAs.
That's right.
This pair is confused. Yeah, it's not through pulling back. Yeah, okay. So even though this didn't it just qualified for Forex, is 105.551. It should still, it should still qualify for binary because, as I was saying, this pair here is every one of their favorite pairs. They make more money. The binary traders make more money trading UJ binary than they do on any other pair. Their two favorite pairs for binary is UJ and EU. And I say like 70% of the time they are on UJ. That's where they make 70% of their money on UJ. Okay, so we're gonna go over what we have. But for my red list, I have EA, ECAD, GCAD. Now,
So
anybody
what
else?
have you got? Hang on, you got, yeah.
Yes, for my red list, what I always trade. But out of those two pair, let me see. ECAD would qualify for Forex,
Yeah.
and GCAD would qualify for binary. Okay. Now, when I go to the purple list, which is Forex only, that should just be 3. And those 3 should be CAD J,
Yeah.
ECAD.
Yeah.
Okay, yeah, it should actually be 4. CAD J, ECAD, EG, and one more would be EN. Okay. And again, ECAD is not purple because I trade it all the time, but on anybody else's list, ECAD would be purple. So for the Forex trading list, you should actually have 4 purples, okay? But I'm talking to anyone else that may be viewing this video later on, okay? You with me?
Yeah, I got them.
Okay. Now we're gonna go to the binary trading list. And you always keep an eye out on this binary trading list because during the week, it may qualify, it may end up qualifying as a Forex trading list also. That's why I check them every day. Now, binary, you should have, let me put these in order. There we go. Binary, you should have ACAD, AN, CAD, CHF, Eurchf, EJ,
Yeah.
pound CHF, pound dollar, GBP USD. You should have NCAD, N Swiss, NJ, and you should have UCAD, U Swiss, UJ. So that should be 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13 different pairs that a person can choose for binary. And I'm going to check this week and see what pairs on this binary list that is not on the binary.
Oh, yeah, on their list when they open up, yeah.
Yes, ma'am. Okay, so now, before we end this weekly hit list of the Delorean Forex trading strategy.
Can you just tell me the pips that you got for UJ? I didn't get that, the last one.
UJ was 33 pips.
Thank you.
Before we end this, yes, ma'am. Before we end this recording, I'm going to explain what these are. Okay.
Yes.
Now, on one of the I Am Academy Go Live strategy sessions on Orrin Wright's the Forex educator for I Am Academy.
Yeah.
He was explaining that on MT4.
Yeah.
MT4 shows dojis, but on
that's what that's for.
But on TradingView does not show doji, so you have to get the doji indicator to point out dojis. Now, if anyone that want to know, there's a reason why there's dojis. I mean, we have dojis give us a message, and if anyone wants to know, there's a link in the description of my YouTube channel. Link in the description of Judy's YouTube channel to get more information on that, and also to see how they can learn the Delorean Forex trading strategy to be able to trade binary, to be able to trade regular Forex or crypto. They can learn the 3-day cycle strategy. They can learn the blue wave strategy, which is a part of that. They could also learn the 3 signature trades, which is the vector, the BTS, and the 50-50. That'll let them know, it will give them the strategy process to know when to enter a trade and when to exit. Like this is going to be, but I say probably by Wednesday, depending on what the ADR, which is this right here, Judy. Depending on what the ADR, this may end up being ready to fall by Wednesday. So I'm with Miss Judy Robin Gunn. Judy, where are you located?
I'm in Perth, Western Australia.
Yes, ma'am. Say it again, Judy.
Perth, Western Australia.
All right, then. How about one more time? Because I like 3 times.
I live in sunny Perth, Western Australia.
All right. And I'm Tyree Thomas Jr., the Forex Trading Blog. I'm here I'm very honored to be with Miss Judy Robin Gunn. We are teammates on the I Am Team Great. And again, you can look in our description on the YouTube. You see mine and you'll see hers. We can get more information. And this ends our weekly Forex trading Delorean strategy hit list that we created every day in the morning. Every day, say like during the kill zone, that's what these represent, kill zone, 5 a.m. Central for me. What time is the kill zone for you, Judy?
9 o'clock.
Okay. Every day we look on the kill zone and see what pair is set up to trade that day. We don't trade all these during the week. May not even trade any one of these during the week. But we have a choice to look at so that we can see what pair we want to trade that day. We trade only 2 pairs from the list of that day. And the 2 pairs we trade are the ones that give us the best trade setup. Right, Judy?
Yes, that's correct.
So therefore, we'll never be without some trading. So this ends the broadcast for this week. And anyone have any questions, you can reach us on Facebook, or you can leave a comment in our YouTube channel. Okay? All right, then. All right. Motivation is temporary. Inspiration is everlasting. God's word is inspiring, therefore is everlasting. And let me see. As always, God saying through me to you all, be blessed. Bye-bye.
Bye-bye. Bye-bye.
Okay, let me see if I can end the recording. Let me stop. Okay, come on. It's supposed to be right here. No, it ain't right there. It's supposed to, it was supposed to have been a drop down right here, but it's not saying it.
It still says that we're live on YouTube.
Yes, and I'm trying to find where I can end the recording because maybe I need to stop sharing.
Maybe, yes.
But it would normally have the drop down window for me to just say stop without me having to stop sharing. So I guess I just have to stop sharing and then I'll see it. There we go. Stop.